Assembling your Prop Options cupcake or macaron tower is really easy. Today I've got the acrylic macaron tower, but the exact same method applies to the cupcake towers as well. So in your kit, you'll get your individual tiers and your central pillars. You'll also get some regular screws for the bottom and top tiers and an Allen key to tighten those. And then a number of double-ended screws for attaching the central tiers. So before I start assembling, I'm going to put some gloves on just to avoid getting fingerprints on the acrylic. So the first thing I need to do is take my bottom tier and turn it upside down, take one of my central pillars and then line the two up in the centre, take one of my screws and place it in the middle, and then using the Allen key I'm going to tighten that in place. Once that's secure, you can turn the bottom tier back over, and then we're going to get one of the double-ended screws and tighten that into the central pillar. Then I'm going to take my next tier and feed it over the top. Take another central pillar, line it up and twist to secure it in place. And then you repeat the process again until you get to the top tier. So again, the double-ended screw goes into the central pillar, bring my next tier over, slot it in place, and then add another central pillar. And then for the top tier, I'm going to line it up in place, take the last screw, and then tighten it with the Allen key again. And then your cupcake or macaron tower is fully assembled.